Another page of the book. First, I put I brushed on like water. I was gonna make a sky, and then started adding blue, and then sort of blotting up shapes to make the sky. This one I decided to do a boat with a cat in it and a dinghy with a letter P. And so then I was trying to somehow indicate there's water there. This was one technique I am sort of doing wrong, but close enough. Hopefully it'll look a little bit like water somehow at the end. And got that letter P in there, and now time to paint the cat. And wow, I don't really have a brush small enough to get excruciating detail on that cat, and but working anyway. Now I should do a fish, because I gotta have some kind of doodads in there. Other than just the the primary elements. Throw in a couple of birds, 3 to be exact. Try to go more detail on the cat's face, blot up the excess water. A nice person told me put whiskers on the cat because it looks too human, and I do want to put whiskers, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. Maybe I'm going to use an ink pen or something like that. And anyway, so toddling along here and trying to make the water waves look smaller behind, so there's an element of perspective. And that's about it. That's my I also put a what do you call it, a helium balloon type thing floating over there, just to have another element in there. And there it is, page 3 and 4 of the children's book.